Hello, welcome to the video demonstrating the key functions of the social network LetTalk. So when opening the application, it presents itself like this. In first place, you have the filters here. The filters permit the user to better filter the app content. For example, popular here filters only the most popular posts in the application. Most popular posts here are simply the most liked, the most shared, the most commented post in the app. Photos here filters only pictures in the application. Videos and audios also do same. For example, in audios, as you can see, only audios are being filtered. Then secondly, we have the stories part. Stories here last for 24 hours. In order to create a new stories, you simply click on your story. The stories can be added in text, video, or photo form. You can also view your old stories, as you can see here. Coming back to the newsfeed is constantly updated by the users, as you can see here. And in order to create a new post, you simply click on the add icon here, and this menu opens. You can either add a photo or video, you can start a live video, you can start a live home, add an audio, create a survey, and so on. You can also add a position or a location to your picture or to your post. Then you also have the possibility to post anonymously by clicking on the toggle here. And decide who will see your post, either your subscriber or public for everybody. Then each post has likes, reactions, as you can see here. It's possible to add comments. It's also text comments. It's also possible to add audio comments in order to better express your feelings. And also, you can view the number of people that like your post, and also view the profile of these people. For example, you have here the number of followers in this profile, the number of following, the number of points. The number of points here simply express how active you are in the application. The description, small description, and then you have here the content of the profile. For example, you can click on one picture or one post in order to see all the information in this post. And next, we have the notification part. In notification part, you receive notification when you're being tagged, when you have a new follower, when someone liked or commented your picture or your post, as you can see here. Coming to the homes part, there are live homes. Live homes are simply the homes that are currently going on. And next we have the upcoming homes, which are the homes that have been programmed for the future. As you can see here, for example, you have a home on the 24th of March. Then we have replay. These are the homes that have been recorded. Invitations, the invitations that you receive for the homes. And favorite, these are simply my favorite homes. In order to create a home, you either click on the add icon here or on the create or join home button at the below. So when clicking on it opens this menu here, and you can either decide to start the home now or not. You can decide to choose public or private homes depending on what you want. You can add a small description to your home. Here, you can decide to activate your video or not, activate recording or not, limit speech to host or not. So, then what comes next are pages. Pages here are simply for people that want to create pages for organizations, for fun, for businesses, and so on. For example, here, as you can see here, these are the different pages in the application. And my pages here, for example, LetTalk, these are the informations about my page. You have the email address, you have the website, and so on, the number of followers, the location, and so on. And you can also discover new pages here. The same for groups. In groups, you have my groups here, and you also have new groups to discover if you want to discover new groups, or these are the groups that you belong to. Then the next is the chat. Chat here is simply private messages that users in the LetTalk app use to communicate between each other. And now we jump into the fluff mode. Fluff here simply means flirt and love. So it's mainly made for dating. Let's start the adventure. And here we can realize that there are many profiles in the fluff mode. And if you don't know how to use it, there's a small tutorial here in which you can click, and it explains you how you really use this application, this mode. As you can see here, you can just click here in order to better understand how it functions, and then start swiping like that if you don't like, and like this if you like. So you can also edit all your informations here. As you can see, your age, your hobbies, what you're looking for, friendship or what, your origin, all the information about yourself can be edited here. And also you can view if someone matches you, or if someone sends you a like or a super like, you can simply view it here. If it is a like, then you simply see it here. In order to send a super like, you simply swipe up, then it sends a super like, and it means you are really excited to communicate with this person. And in order to go back to the LetTalk mode, you simply need to click back on the LetTalk here. It asks you, do you want to switch to the LetTalk mode? Then when you say yes, it switches back and you are back to the LetTalk mode. So this is how the application functions, and I hope you have really understood it. Bye.